Deepseek is a Chinese AI chatbot that has recently gained significant attention for its rapid rise and competitive performance in the AI landscape. Developed by a Chinese startup, Deepseek has been recognized for its efficiency and cost-effectiveness in AI development. Deepseek utilizes a mixture of experts architecture with 671 billion parameters optimized for task-specific performance. The chatbot was trained using approximately 2,000 GPUs over 55 days, costing around $5.6 million. This is significantly lower than the investments made by other leading AI companies. Benchmark tests indicate that Deepseek's chatbot performs comparably to other leading chatbots in tasks such as answering questions, solving logic problems, and writing computer programs. The launch of Deepseek's chatbot has had a notable impact on the tech industry, leading to significant market reactions. For instance, NVIDIA's stock experienced a substantial decline due to concerns about Deepseek's competitive capabilities. There are concerns regarding data privacy and the potential for the dissemination of biased information, especially given the stringent guardrails implemented to comply with Chinese government requirements. These measures can result in blocked responses for politically sensitive topics. Deepseek's AI assistant, powered by the V3 model, is available as a chatbot app for both iOS and Android platforms. By January 27, 2025, the app had surpassed ChatGPT as the highest-rated free app on the iOS App Store in the United States. In summary, Deepseek represents a significant development in the AI chatbot arena, offering a cost-effective and efficient alternative to existing models. However, users should remain mindful of the associated data privacy and ethical considerations.